Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix NVIDIA Game Filters not working. First, open GeForce Experience. Now go to Drivers and click on Check for Updates. Here, install the latest game-ready driver and restart your PC. Outdated drivers are the most common cause of filters not showing. After that, open GeForce Experience. Now select Settings and reach General. Then turn on In-Game Overlay. Without the overlay enabled, game filters cannot be accessed. Next, launch your game. Following that, press Alt+Z to open the NVIDIA overlay. Now, click Game Filter from the menu. If nothing happens, check the game is running in full screen or borderless windowed mode. Game filters sometimes don't appear in exclusive full screen mode. Ensure that you check the supported games section, as not all games support NVIDIA Game Filters. Make sure your game is listed as supported by NVIDIA or tested by GeForce Experience. Here, close other overlay software like Discord, Steam, or MSI Afterburner. Some overlays can block NVIDIA filters from initializing. Then, uninstall GeForce Experience completely. After that, download the latest version from NVIDIA. Lastly, reinstall Enable Overlay and try again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.